morning, everybody. How you guys doing today? Today is Saturday, and it's probably going to be the last decent weekend of the year. I think it's supposed to be in the 70s today, and I'm sure it's going to be cold from here on out. It is damn near Thanksgiving anyway, so today we are going out to the country, back out to the country. We're going to mill up some more boards, try to clean up the place a little bit, and hopefully get things situated. So we will head out there. Alright, as you can see, we are set up the best we can. I forgot my levels, so we'll just have to make do with what we got for now and see how this thing turns out. Hopefully it'll be alright. I got it set up here. I'm going to use the small mill today. It should reach, I should have enough room. And I got a different saw today. I picked up this 4400 yesterday, as a matter of fact. I did some trading for it. Seems to be a pretty stout saw. And it's not very pretty to look at, but we'll get it cleaned up and get some covers replaced and fixed, so on and so forth. But I've got my 10-degree ripping chain on there, so, and I got the small mill set up. So all we need to do is give it a try, see how everything works out. I haven't used this saw at all. I just fired it up. It sounds good, runs like a beast, seems to at least. So we'll see how it goes. And from here out, I'll get everything set up and we'll get some sawing done today. Hopefully get this thing milled up all the way. All right, see you guys in a few.
It is a great mistake to confuse it with nothingness. It is rather to be thought of as space, or like space, because space is not empty. It contains the whole universe. And so in the same way, the state of mind of the person who is truly enlightened is not empty. It contains everything.
I'm not sure how I feel about it. For one, I had a big ass crack. I was down about half of it. And then two, yeah, see, that's where I messed up. And two, not solid. This is a piece of hard ass oak. Looking a little punky there in the middle. Alright, well, I'm going to regroup and then we'll get back to cutting. Hopefully at least get this thing cut up today. Man, it's a big difference with the bigger saw. It pulls right through. Big saw, new chain. We're good to go.
Not this, not this. Not any conception. The highest state of consciousness in samadhi is called nirvikalpa samadhi, which means literally non-conceptual.
Still, looking a little punky in the middle though. But cut this one at 1.5 inches. I'm going to drop down to 1 inch and just do the rest of them like that. Still having trouble here in the middle, but it's looking better. We'll knock this off, and hopefully by the next one we should be good. Man, I forgot how much work this is. One day I'll grow up and buy a big mill. Alright, well, we'll give it a break for a second and then we'll... Well, I think that's it for today. I got other stuff I have to do. I can't sit out here all day doing this, but we got half of that log milled up, slabbed up. So we'll get out here again pretty soon to finish it up, see what it looks like. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day.